In grade 6, the coding curriculum really focuses on efficient code. So it's taking all of the coding that you've taught to your students from grades 1 to 5 and just making it more efficient. If Jessie can do a line of code and she needs 10 commands and I can do it in 8, that means I'm more efficient than she is. And that's the goal. So looking at our Scratch coding, if we wanted Scratch to draw a square, I'm going to grab my pen blocks and I like to pull them out to be more efficient. I really like that you can choose whatever colors you want. Let's go with some pink here, nice and bright. I'm going to pull out my green flag and say when the green flag is clicked, again, setting my starting position, go here. I'm going to say pen down, pen up will go at the very bottom. We can throw our pen color in here too. And then I want my sprite to move 200 steps. This is all pulling from the same examples we've been looking at so that you've got this consistent basis with all of your classrooms. We can talk about different turns. So if we wanted Scratch to do 200 steps and then turn clockwise, he'd be facing down and we're not going to see our square. So I'm going to pull out this turn block, counterclockwise. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm going to pull out erase all so that it starts all over again. And then I can use my motion blocks and correct the turn just by clicking on it. So let's see, 90. I'm gonna pull out 1, 2. We've got more sides, 4 sides of a square, and we need 4 sides and 4 turns. Pull them out just to have them handy. Let's see, move 200 steps, turn 90 degrees, move 200 steps, turn 90 degrees, move 200 steps, turn 90 degrees. And to make sure we can actually see all of these happening, I'm going to put a weight in between each one. And then I'll say pen up at the very bottom. So now we should see the cat draw a square. And to really show how inefficient this is, I would say to my students, look, I'm actually going to put another weight down here to really finish the pattern. I would use my voice and I would put a different tone to each command. So move 200 steps, turn 90 degrees, wait 1 second. Move 200 steps, turn 90 degrees, wait 1 second. Move 200 steps. So they really see that you're repeating the same thing over and over again. And once they get that, you can pull all of this line of code out and you're going to put on your repeat button and we're going to just stick it right in here. And we know that we have 4 sides to each square. So we're going to say 4 sides needed. And look, we just got rid of all of this code. Pen up, oops, it's on the bottom. Click on erase all. And now we should be able to see it one more time in a way more efficient line of code. And this can be anything that you want your cat to do or any of your sprites to do. If this was a basketball and you wanted it to bounce up and down, you can be doing your move X amount of steps. You can have them glide. Let's see if we started in our same position that we are in right now. Erase all. Erase all. Go to the starting spot. We can have him glide to this spot and then glide back down. 1 second. And so he's just going to look like he's jumping up and down. We can throw our loop in here. And I'm just doing it with the sprite I have on the screen. We can change that to 5 times if we want. When we press the green flag, he's just going to follow those commands 5 times. So it's a really great way for you to be able to make something that's going to happen consistently, repeat in a very efficient way. And I would have students predict things that were going to be happening in this line of code. And you can also have them try to predict how to make things more efficient, try things out to see if they work, and then debug or go back and take a look at whether or not it will work.